In this class, we will discuss many religions. A lot of the religions we discuss are no longer widely practiced. This would be inclusive of religions practiced in ancient Egypt and ancient Greece. Some religions, however, are widely practiced still in today's world. And a few of these cultures we discuss still have their religious beliefs practiced by millions of people today. The first group of religions we will discuss are the Abrahamic religions. These started in the Fertile Crescent about 3,000 years ago and were founded by a man named Abraham. His religious beliefs have formed some of today's largest religions. The first we will discuss is Judaism. Next, Christianity. And finally, Islam. Judaism dates back at least 2,800 years and is based on the teachings of Abraham and Moses. There are about 13.9 million followers of Judaism today, and this religion is led by rabbis or teachers. Christianity developed through Judaism and dates back about 2,000 years. Christianity is based on the teachings of Jesus of Nazareth and has over 2 billion followers today. This makes it the world's largest religion. Christianity spread throughout Europe during the late Roman Empire and continued to spread from there. Islam is another Abrahamic religion and dates back about 1,400 years. It is based on the teachings of Muhammad, and there are 1.6 billion followers of Islam today. There are two main divisions in Islam, the Sunni and the Shia. The second major group of religions we will discuss are the Indian religions. Many popular world religions had their beginnings in India and spread from there. The first we will discuss is Hinduism, and the second is Buddhism. Hinduism is a very old religion that dates back at least 3,000 years and possibly up to 4,000 years. It is one of the oldest religions still practiced in the world today. There are over 1 billion followers of Hinduism, most of them residing in India. Hinduism is flexible and adaptive, but it has a set of core shared beliefs. And lastly, we will discuss Buddhism. Buddhism dates back 2,500 years and is based on the teachings of Siddhartha Gautama. Siddhartha Gautama is known as the Buddha, which means enlightened one. There are just under 500 million followers of Buddhism today, and they mainly reside in areas to the north and east of India. These world religions are not the only world religions that are still practiced that started in the ancient world, but they are some of the largest and the most influential.